It's smoking time.
Hey guys, what's up? Before we get started, if you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, hit that notification button next to it. Make sure you comment down below, tell me what you think. Also, make sure you share with your friends and family. Peace out, guys. Enjoy the video. Alright, so today we are making smoked spinach and artichoke dip. Yes. I like spinach and artichoke dip, but let's smoke it. Because why not? Duh. So, let's get started. So, I have here some ingredients. I got here about 20 ounces or a pound and a half, or a pound and a quarter, sorry, I can do math, of chopped spinach. I get the frozen stuff, whether it's the steam bag or not. If it's the steam bag, just use one bag. That's plenty of spinach, but this is all they had. So you just need about a pound's worth at least of spinach. Okay, then we're also gonna add some milk. Now I have here about 6 cups worth of mozzarella cheese. Now the reason I say 6 cups is 4 cups to mix in with everything, and then we're gonna put some on top as well. So that's why I got the 2-cup bag. But 4 cups to go in it, extra to go on top, because there's never enough cheese, duh. Speaking of cheese, I got 2 blocks of cream cheese. I also got Parmesan cheese, which we're gonna do probably about a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I also got some garlic. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of garlic in there. And then what's spinach and artichoke dip without artichoke hearts? And this right here, this is kind of the higher end stuff. I like this stuff because it's got olive oil and seasonings and stuff in it. And I like the taste of these. Plus it gives it good flavor to the spinach and artichoke dip. So this is a 6.5 ounce jar of artichoke hearts. All right, let's start combining. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our spinach. Now, I decided to find the one that leaked everywhere, but you want this to be thawed out first, because one, you're smoking it, and so you're smoking it at a lower temperature, so you don't want it to be frozen, or else it's gonna take forever. Your cheese is gonna be done before your spinach is, and then your cheese is gonna burn, and then your spinach is, and it'll still be done, and it's just gonna be a hot mess. So make sure that your spinach is thawed out before you throw it in your pan. Now this is still slightly frozen, so I'm breaking this up just a little bit, but it's not frozen enough to not break apart, but I want to make sure that this cooks evenly. So I'm gonna break this up just a smidgen. Okay, then we're gonna add our artichoke hearts. Okay, then we're gonna add our cheese, and I added about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Okay, then we're gonna add our 2 blocks of cream cheese. Okay, then I'm gonna add about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, then I'm gonna add 2 cups of milk. We're gonna take this out to the smoker. I got it set to 225, and we're gonna start with a half an hour, and then we're gonna stir it, and then we're gonna add our cheese, and then we're gonna let it go for at least another half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. See you in a bit. So I wanted to show you guys this before it got too dark outside, but I went ahead and gave it a good stir. This is what it looks like. But I want this to go a little bit longer because I still got some nice big chunks of cream cheese in there before I put more cheese on top and let it melt. So I'm gonna let this go, and we'll see you shortly. All right, here it is. Smells good, it looks good. So, note, make sure you drain your spinach. Make sure your spinach is completely thawed out. Make sure it's drained. So this ended up going for an hour and a half. It should have only gone for an hour and a half, but I had to throw it in the oven because there was a lot of liquid. So I threw it in the oven for another half an hour if you need to, but that helps get the cheese brown. It helps kind of reduce it a little bit, helps get rid of some of that liquid so it's not so runny. But I'm excited to try this. It smells amazing. I took the liberty of, I found some focaccia bread at the store, and I cubed it up, put some olive oil on it, salt and pepper, threw it in the oven, toasted it a little bit. So I'm gonna try it with this. Let's try it out. All right, so I'm gonna dig in. Yeah, oh yes. Wow. I think there's enough cheese in there. But let's taste this. Cheers. Wow. 'Cause, 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 Oh my. Wow. That is phenomenal. Wow, that is really, really good. It's got a nice subtle smoke. It's creamy. It definitely thickened up once it sat in the oven for a little bit. The cheese is nice and has a nice crust on it. I also added some Parmesan cheese on top of it with the mozzarella. This is awesome. Might be my new favorite way to try this. I don't know, we'll see. But this is really, really good. It's kind of refreshing a little bit with the spinach. Not a lot, because there's a lot of cheese in here. But this is really good. The garlic comes through a little bit. It smells like homemade garlic bread, but it's spinach dip. It smells amazing. And I love the smell of garlic. And it's just, yeah, this is spot on. It's cheesy. It's gonna win at any Super Bowl party, let's be real. Yeah, I approve of this. This is really good. But there you have it, guys. Smoked spinach and artichoke dip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to hit the sub button, hit the notification button, comment down below, share with a friend and family. Peace out, guys.